Hello fellows, Herogon here. The month of May 2024 was quite the time again. I'm still doing the Full Sail online classes. Intro to game design and discrete mathematics were interesting classes as I got into the level design and playtesting process with the former. I'm also still doing on-the-job training until June 15th, and it's been going swimmingly. Overall, not a bad month when it comes to yours truly and productivity. Of course, I shall mention the elephant in the room. My new laptop. Yours truly got himself an MSI GE Raider laptop equipped with Windows 11, courtesy of Full Sail's Project Launchbox program. Don't worry, all Unreal Engine projects have been ported successfully from my family's old Mac desktop to my new laptop. This may change some of how the Funlogs go about as I continue to get comfortable with Windows 11's toy box. With that said, let's get into the Funlog. On May 5th, Sean the Bro created a damaged camera system. In many games, a shaking camera can indicate if you're damaged or if you're the one doing the damage. I've noticed this a lot in games like Sonic Frontiers. We have created a new C++ class known as Damage Camera Shake. Its parent is Legacy Camera Shake, which has a few features Sean may want to use in the future. With this, we can shake our camera. We're setting some variables for our camera shake in its .cpp file. We implement damage camera shake within the character.cpp function receive damage. It's easy enough to use, but not ultra customizable yet. Perhaps future tutorials can investigate the camera shake system more. May 12th provided some improvements when it came to the base game mode HUD, versus pause menu, and versus end pop-up. In base game mode hub, we use a branch on event tick that will fire our existing logic if the isGame pause boolean is false. If the game is paused, our health bars and super meters stop increasing or decreasing while the game is paused. In versus pause menu and versus end pop-up, we added some improvements to pre-existing nodes. The set style node in the function display hovered selection, we have a few structs split up for it to allow for mouse control functionality. While these are minor details to any game framework, these details are welcome in the major operation or long run. May 19th saw Sean the Bro adding a widget switcher to our player profile widget. What is a widget switcher, you might ask? It's an easy way to switch between widgets without creating a new one again and again. Think of it as similar to Mortal Kombat 11's options menu, or even Sonic Frontiers' settings menu. We've created a new widget known as Profile Statistics. This is the same player profile stuff we had long ago, now as its own individual widget. With the widget switcher, we can switch from player statistics to achievements while still in player profile widget. In player profile widget's event graph, we insert listen for input action notes. We do a callback to a custom event that contains a new function. This new function of update current category will determine which widget located in the widget switcher we switch to depending on direction. If the direction plus active widget index of profile widget switcher is greater than -1, and the above sentence's logic is less than the number of widgets we get from profile widget switcher, we set our active widget index with the above equation of direction plus active widget index. May 26th saw improvements made to the profile statistics and player profile widget. Now profile statistics has all of the old binding text from player profile, while profile statistics version of the same logic has been deleted. Player profile widget has gained a new listen for input action using an input known as return P1. With this input, we can go back to our archive screen. Another improvement for the player profile widget involves showing which category we are in. At the end of the function update category, we have some new logic. Selecting from an array of buttons, we use a for each loop. From there, we check if the active widget index of our widget switcher is equal to the array index. If it's true, the current button we're on shows a border indicating where we're at. If not, we switch the border to go the next button. While these are small improvements, it's a good Sunday breather from my current assignments at Full Sail. Much of the improvements made in May involved widgets, yet it was another good breather as a current Full Sail student. All tutorials of that month went without a hitch for me. There were some tough times, especially when I accidentally deleted my stuff in downloads around May 23rd. However, I've pushed on and was lucky to have saved much of my progress up until April onto a portable drive. Overall, this month has been another trial in balancing my hobbies and schoolwork. Credit again goes to Sean the Bro for all of his work, which I've enjoyed going through this past month. It has been a lovely backbone for the Funlog content. I hope I can succeed as he has when working with Unreal Engine. With all that said, I hope you like this video, so comment below and subscribe if you have not already. It helps a small YouTuber out, especially in times like these. I've been Herogon, and you've been you. Thank you for tuning in, and I will catch you all later.